In this video, I will show you how to convert MP4 to MOV. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So here we are on my desktop. As you can see, I've currently got this file here, which is an MP4 file, which we'll be using in today's example. Now, to actually go ahead and convert this from an MP4 to an MOV file, what we're going to be doing is using a website which is absolutely free to use. So what you want to do first is open up an internet browser and come across to a website called CloudConvert. So the full web address for this is cloudconvert.com/MP4-converter. So once you come across to here, you're going to see a screen like this. And from here, you just simply want to click onto the red Select File button. What that's going to do is open up your File Explorer. And from your File Explorer, just go ahead and locate where your file is. So mine's on my desktop, so I'm going to click on desktop, and you can see our MP4 file is here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click onto that file and then click onto open to select this file. Now once you've done that, you're going to be taken to a screen like this, and you can see it says convert to over here. So what you want to do is click onto this drop down box. On this window that comes up, you want to click onto video, and you're going to see MOV over here. So just give that a click, and then all you need to do is come and click onto the red convert button. Now what's going to happen is it's going to start uploading your file, and then it's going to process through and convert that from an MP4 to an MOV file. As mentioned, the website is absolutely free. There's no charge for doing this, but generally the process only takes a minute or two, of course dependent on the size of your file. So you can see that's uploaded. It's now processing. It's currently converting it from an MP4 to an MOV file. As you can see, the conversion has now finished, and we've got this green download button. So you can see it's here, .mov. What we're going to do is click to download this file onto our PC, and as you can see, that is now downloading as a .mov file. So what we can do once this is finished downloading is click to go into the folder, our downloads folder, and we can double click to open up this MOV file. As you can see, it's opening up with our Windows Movie Player. So that is how to convert MP4 to MOV. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.